Hello, Owen. So for this video lesson, we're going to recap the Painkiller solo and finish the entire Painkiller song, including solo 2, until the end, right there. And next week, once we finish this, we'll start on the Midwest emo genre, and that'll be fun. So, to start, part 1 of the solo. Remember, it starts with that sweet pick. And then the whammy bars, but I don't have it right now. But that's how that part 1 will sound, just to refresh. Going to part 2, 7, 9, 9 palm muted. And this is where I use my middle finger for the 9th frets right here, and then right here it's an upstroke. So. And that's what part 2 will sound like. Moving on to part 3, this is where it starts to get a little confusing. So that sweet pick right there. So I'll go to right here and then move down. So 14 on the G string up to 14 on the B and then slide to 16. And then remember, it's just 12, 12, 12, 14, 14, 14, 12, 14. And you can play all of this with your pointer finger. That's what I do. So let me go to here. Remember, you tremolo pick that. So after that 11, let me scroll down a little bit. Play to here. So that's up to right here. So if you remember the 14, 16, 17, up to 14, 16, 17 on the B string, and then forwards, backwards, 14, 16, 17. So if you see, it's forwards and then back. And then here, you go down to 17, and then it's forwards, back with an extra 14. So an extra 17 at the beginning, extra 14 at the end. Right there. So now, this is where it does that sweet pick, 18, 17, 16. Okay, part 4. I'll go to here. So after that sweet pick, 19 to 19 unbended. So that's up to that 18. So remember the 19 bend and no bend. That's the slide to 9, 9, 8 on the G string, 7, 6, 4. One more time. Now the fast tremolo picking. 4, 6, 7, 4, 5, 4, 5. Remember, middle finger just twice there. The next one, middle finger just twice here. And then you slide over on the B string. 14, 16, 17. And then it's just 14, 15, 14. Just one middle finger. And then it's 16, 19, 16, 19, 16. So, see if I can get this. One more time. Slowly. Ooh. Ooh. Go one more time with that. Keep messing up right there, accidentally. One more time. There we go. So now the tapping part, 14, 17, 21. So remember forwards on the high E now, and back. So forwards, back, and then forward, back. So you see the groupings right here. Forward, back, forward, back. 14, 17, 21. Oh. So that's that whole grouping right there. And then 11, 14, 18 right here to the 9 on the low E. And it's the same forward, back. Okay, and now 11, the G string. This is that confusing one. 11, 9, 11, 11, 11, and then 9 immediately to 11. That should be kind of a hammer-on-ish. And then 13, 9, 13, 9, 9, 9, 8, or 13, 9, 13, 9, and then let me move this one down, 13, 9. It's going to be 13, 9, 13, 9, 39, but I like the 9, 9, 8 because of what we did earlier, the 9, 9, 8. So, play. Yeah. Play up to the end of part 5 and scroll down. So 11. One more time for this part. So 11, 9, 11 on the D string, 11 on the G, 11 on the D, 9, 11, 11, 11, 11. Pull off to 9, 13, 9, 13, 9. Can be 13, 9 or 9, 9, 8. And then 21, 22, 22, you see it's a full, and then half full, and then half, regular 21. I don't have the 24, so I'll try my best. And that's that, the 2, 3 all the way down. I do a 22 half there. Then after that part, I'll play this part 6. You slide on the G string. One more time. Okay. Oh, that's just that, and then you do this part. Let me play this one though. Alright, this is where I use 8 with my pinky and then my middle fingers on the 6th fret. The 8, 9, 8, 6, 4, 4, 6. And then a 4 vibrato, and then open G string, whammy bar, and then low E, whammy bar, up. And then, let me add some so I can scroll down. And the ending part right here. It would be good if we play to this one. So this is 4, 6, 7, E and A string. So forward, backward, down to 7. Back to the A string, 4, 6, 7. Okay, and then after that part, it's the 4, 6, 8, and then forwards, backwards, 4, 6, 8 on the G string, and the 8. You can think of it like that. So that's all the way up to here. And then you just go 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. Right there, D and G string. So from the 4, 6, 8 down to the 8. My pointer comes in to the 6th fret, 8, 9, G string, forward. and then you tremolo pick downward. And so we do 16, 19, 21, 16, 19, 21. So forward, forward, back, down to 19. So you can divide this part into two sections. 16, 19, 21. That's that. And then you come back to the high E string. You can see it's 16, 19, 21, 19, 21. You just go, you go forward and then half back and then forward. Oh. And that's that ending right there. All right. So that's the recap for the solo. Now, after the solo, it goes back to the one riff, the main riff. So then, after this, oh, I have that. Okay, well anyway, so it goes to after that riff for a little bit, then A string 0, 2, 5, 7, 3, 5, 2, 4. And then it does the palm muting again. Now forward 0, 2, 2, 4, 3, 5, 5, 7. Now palm muting second fret. 2, 4, 7, 9, 5, 7, 6, 4, 6. And then 4, 6. Now forwards. And now we go to that crazy riff right here. And then there's that one, and then right after that it goes to that 5, 6, 8 section really fast again. And then it goes back to the main riff for a while. Oops. And so that goes on for a little bit, and now we get to the last solo. All right, so 17, let's go up to here. So 17 B string twice, 14 high E, then 14, 17 with a little bend, 14, 17, 17 on the high E. This is how that one will sound. So it's all 17s and 14s. B string 17, 14, 14, 17 bend, 14, 17, high E 17. All right, so that's how that one will sound. Now this part, a little crazy. We'll go 17, 15, 12 on the high E. And then 15, 14, 12, 15, 14, 12 on the B and G string with a slide to 11. All right, so that's how that will sound. And then after the slide to 11, then on the D string, we go 14, 12, 11, slide to 10. And then on the A string, it's just all four fingers, 12, 11, 10, 9. I'll play that part slowly right here. 17, 15, 12. All right, just get that slow and then work your way up. So now, after that, this part. So that's just 4, 4, 2, 4 with a pinch harmonic 2. So up to here, 4, 4, 2, 4, 2. And then it's just 2, 4, 4, 4, 2 pinch harmonics. Alright, that's how that sounds. Next part, this one's really cool. We go 8, 7, 5, 2, 7, 6, 4, D string to the G string. You just use pinky ring pointer. You just go diagonally up. Alright, now we'll add the next one, 10, 9, 7, 10, 9, 7. Same pinky ring pointer, 10, 9, 7. And since it's groupings of 3, watch how you're ending each section. So if you start with a down, the first 3 will be down, up, down. But then the next one, up, down, up. All right, so let's combine these 2 sections. All right, and now 15, 14, 12, 15, 14, 12. So, and then end with a 22 bend. And that's how that part will sound. Next part. These are all natural harmonics right here, 2nd fret, low E. And then it's just 11 pinch harmonic down to 9, and then 11 pinch harmonic. G, D, and then G. So this will sound like this. Oh. All right, so and then after that, there's a slight pause, and we do this monster sweep pick right here. So 1470, it's a combination of that intro solo 1 sweep pick. There we go. So you see the 16s, the 17, and then on this part, the 16, 14, 14 with the tap at 21. See, there's 17, 16, 16, 14, 14, 14, 17, tap at 21. Oh, forgot to put a T there for tap. And then back down with the 0 with the whammy bar. So slowly. All right, there's that one. And then right after that, we do 2 and 2 on the D and G string, down to palm muting 2 on the low E, 4, 4, 2, 2, and then double 2, 2, 2, double 4, 2, 2, double 2, 1 palm mute to 4. So that part. All right, so that's how that part will sound. Next part, to the end, natural harmonics. That's a 0, 2, 0, 2. That goes on for a little bit, and then 2, 4, 3 times. The 4, 6 now, and then 3, 5. And then a drum solo. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoops. There's the 2, 4. So one more time from here to here. Or actually, I'll go from here to here. So. 0, 2, 2, 5. Drum solo. 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. 3, 2, 1. And then that's all of Painkiller. All right. So next week we'll go over. We'll completely change to the Midwest emo genre. We'll have some fun with that. We'll learn a lot of cool things, especially with that tapping, slide, chords, all that stuff. All right. Well, have fun practicing this solo and recapping the last solo. And I'll see you next week.